everyone, welcome back to my channel Rithika's World. I am Rithikaa. Today I am posting my first vlog. We are going to Frankenmuth Aerial Park. We're on our way to Frankenmuth Aerial Park. We will be reaching there in 30 minutes. I'll catch you there. After a long time staying home, today we started our first trip to Frankenmuth Aerial Park. We had planned this trip as we got a bit relief on COVID guidelines here in USA. But by the time I posted this video, now again we have mandatory mask rule in this place. Don't know how many days it will be this time. I hope we all come out of this COVID crisis soon. We are so close to reach our destination and me and my brother are so excited. We're here! We can't wait to enjoy the rides. Finally, I'm here. We were supposed to get the safety belt on us and we need to complete the safety drill. The staff here are very friendly and they are here to help us as much as needed. However, my brother was not allowed to play on the rides because of age limit. The age limit there is 7 or above years old. After that, he was a bit disappointed. It was a little scary for me to go on the zipline for the first time, but once after my first attempt, I had fun with the zipline so many times. We had so much fun in Frankenmuth Aerial Park. There were zip lines, climbing things, walking things and many more. This is the best place for families to have fun. Done for the day. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.